Outstanding design defines the 2013 Nissan Frontier. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is a leading example of refined versatility in the midsize pickup segment. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Nissan's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 156-point inspection. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.